Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sewing machine motor is probably one of the most crucial components of your sewing machine, impacting everything from stitch quality and speed to the overall lifespan of your machine. In this video, we will delve into the key factors to consider when choosing a sewing machine motor, helping you select the perfect one to elevate your sewing experience and ensure your projects are completed with precision and ease. Number 5. Enduro SM550 Sewing Motor. It's a powerful and efficient sewing machine motor, designed for smooth and quiet operation. Get ready to experience a new level of sewing ease. This motor delivers impressive torque, making it perfect for tackling even the toughest sewing projects. It's a 550-watt powerhouse. Adjust the speed with ease using the convenient control knob. It runs smoothly and quietly at your desired speed. It's designed to save you up to 50% on energy costs compared to conventional motors. Enjoy both performance and efficiency. Everything you need is included: mounting bolts, dampers, switch, belt cover, and even extra carbon brushes. It's ready to go. Upgrade your sewing machine with the Enduro SM550 and enjoy superior performance, quiet operation, and significant energy savings. It's the ultimate sewing motor. What we like? It's a powerful motor that operates quietly and saves you money on your energy bill. If you need a high-performance motor for demanding sewing projects and want to reduce energy costs, this is the one for you. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for home use where noise is a concern. What people say? This motor has a lot of strength and very soft, not noisy at all. Was very easy to install. I installed myself. I attached to a Juki machine and it works perfect. Easy install. Good max speed adjustment is lower than other machines and is what you need for an antique machine. Works well. Sews like a dream. Makes a good sound sewing. Very quiet. The motor is quite powerful and extremely quiet when in operation. Speed settings are variable, controlled by a knob on the front side of the motor. It also has an accessory 120V outlet on the rear, which is controlled by the power switch for the motor, making adaptation of the 80-year-old desk lamp pain-free. Number 4. Consew CSM1000 Servo Motor. This powerful servo motor is designed for industrial sewing machines. It offers precise speed control and quiet operation, enhancing your sewing experience. It's a 3-4 HP motor, delivering the power you need for heavy-duty sewing projects. Experience smooth, consistent stitching every time. This servo motor runs quietly, reducing noise pollution in your workspace. It also boasts energy efficiency, saving you money on your energy bills. It's built to last, with high-quality components ensuring long-term reliability. You can depend on it for years of consistent performance. It's designed for easy installation on Consew CSM1000, CSM550, and SM550 sewing machines. Get it up and running quickly and easily. Order yours today and receive it quickly and efficiently. Enjoy fast shipping and reliable delivery right to your door. What we like? This motor is a genuine Consew, known for its quality and reliability. If you're looking for a dependable motor from a trusted brand for your industrial sewing machine, this is a great option. Its powerful performance makes it suitable for heavy-duty sewing tasks. What people say? It only weighs about 5 pounds and replaces the old motor weighing about 50 pounds. This 2-piece unit is easy to mount, and the controller can be mounted at a convenient location for quick access to power and speed controls. The servo motor weighs approximately 30 less than the old clutch motor previously mounted on my table. Number 3. Enduro HM100 Sewing Motor Kit. This kit will give your sewing machine a powerful and reliable motor. It's compatible with most domestic and imported machines. It features copper windings and a commutator, unlike other motors that use aluminum. This ensures durability and better performance. With 100 watts of power and 6,000 RPM, it's perfect for various sewing tasks. It rotates counterclockwise. The sturdy L-bracket mount makes installation simple and secure. It fits most home sewing machines. This kit includes everything you need: the motor, foot pedal, belt, and even a replacement carbon brush set. Everything for a smooth sewing experience. Don't let a weak motor slow you down. Upgrade your sewing machine with this high-quality motor kit today. What we like. This kit is compatible with most home sewing machines and includes a foot pedal for convenient control. If you have an older sewing machine or need a simple, affordable upgrade, this is a good choice. The included foot pedal adds ease of use and control. What people say. It works well with my 1948 Singer sewing machine. Had to do a little rewiring to connect the light, but I'm very happy with it. Runs smoothly and there was a smell at the very beginning of use, but it soon went away and no other problem since. Fit a new home MyXL 23L sewing machine. The new motor fit the existing bracket and I simply wired the motor to the same 115 vac used for the failed motor. The motor ran clean and smooth and the existing foot pedal speed controller worked perfectly. Number 2. Consew CSM 3000 Servo Motor. This is the Consew CSM 3000, a powerful and energy-efficient servo motor for industrial sewing machines. It's designed to handle a wide range of sewing tasks with ease. It saves up to 70% on electricity compared to traditional motors. You'll see significant savings on your energy bills. With 1 HP and 750 watts of power, it's perfect for light to heavy-duty sewing. It easily handles straight stitch, overlock, zigzag, blind stitch, and more. It's compatible with various industrial sewing machines. It uses the same mounting holes as standard clutch motors for easy installation. It eliminates the need for a clutch or brake disc. You can easily turn the machine handwheel to position the needle. Upgrade your sewing machine with the Consew CSM 3000 and experience the difference. It's a reliable and efficient choice for any sewing professional. What we like. This powerful, energy-efficient motor is perfect for industrial sewing machines. If you're looking to upgrade your industrial sewing machine for better performance and lower energy costs, this is a great option. Its brushless design ensures long-lasting performance and reduced maintenance. What people say. Allows me to control the speed of my leather sewing, stitch by stitch. It's so easy to precisely control the motor so that I get the number of stitches I want, which I find important when back-tacking. Once installed, it has been working flawlessly. I only have about an hour or two of time on the machine since the install, but it is night and day difference. I specifically purchased this one because it has more power and is supposed to do better with thicker material and leather, which I do on occasion. I tested it with a 1/4 piece of leather and it worked great. Number 1. Singer 15 Class Sewing Motor. Give your older Singer sewing machine a power boost. This new motor and foot pedal set will make sewing easier and more efficient than ever before. Enjoy double the power with our 0.9 amp motor. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing machine, providing a significant performance upgrade. It's compatible with many older sewing machines. If your motor bolts onto the side, under the flywheel, this is likely the perfect fit for you. This set is designed for easy installation. You'll be sewing with increased power and precision in no time. It's perfect for Singer 15 class, HA1, 66, 99, 99K models and many other similar machines. Check compatibility before purchasing. Bring new life to your sewing machine. This upgrade will make your projects easier and more enjoyable. What we like. This motor is designed to fit most older sewing machines and offers double the power of standard models. If you have an older machine that needs a power boost and want an affordable upgrade, this is a great option. Its universal fit makes it suitable for a wide range of sewing machines. What people say. I got this for my mom's 30-plus-year-old sewing machine and it worked perfectly. It's working perfectly. The pedal is a variable speed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.